Imagine pouring years of effort and significant resources into developing a unique formula, a cutting-edge process, or a confidential client list that gives your business a real competitive edge. What happens if someone unlawfully obtains and uses that information, stealing the very essence of your innovation? It is a serious challenge, and thankfully, legal frameworks exist to provide recourse. Monetary damages for trade secret theft are primarily calculated to compensate the owner for their losses and to prevent the unauthorized user from profiting unjustly. The goal is to restore the trade secret owner to the position they would have been in had the theft not occurred, or at least to eliminate the unfair advantage gained by the misappropriator. This usually involves assessing actual damages suffered by the owner, the unjust enrichment gained by the thief, or, in some cases, a reasonable royalty for the use of the secret. The reason behind these damage calculations stems from the core principles of trade secret law, specifically the Uniform Trade Secrets Act adopted by many states and the Federal Defend Trade Secrets Act. These laws aim to protect confidential business information that provides a competitive advantage and is subject to reasonable efforts to maintain its secrecy. When that protection is breached, the law seeks to identify the financial harm. Actual damages can include lost profits due to diverted sales or reduced market share. Unjust enrichment focuses on the financial gains the thief directly made from using the stolen secret, like increased revenue or cost savings. A reasonable royalty might be considered when other measures are difficult to prove, envisioning what a willing licensor and licensee would have agreed upon for legitimate use. To determine these complex figures, courts typically relying on meticulous financial analysis and expert testimony. Forensic accountants and economists play a crucial role, analyzing market conditions, comparative landscapes, the duration of the theft, and the specific impact on both the injured party and the misappropriator. They evaluate financial records, sales data, and projections to establish a clear causal link between the theft and the alleged damages. The process is not about punishment, but about equitable financial rectification. An interesting aspect in these calculations is the concept of head start damages. This refers to the value of the competitive advantage that the misappropriator gained by not having to independently develop the trade secret themselves. It recognizes the time, money, and risk saved by unlawfully obtaining the secret. Proving the precise extent of this head start and translating it into a monetary value requires a deep understanding of industry dynamics and sophisticated economic modeling. Ultimately, the quantification of monetary damages in trade secret theft cases is a detailed and highly fact-specific exercise designed to uphold fairness in the marketplace. By meticulously assessing the economic impact of the theft, from the owner's lost opportunities to the infringer's illicit gains, the legal system strives to ensure that innovation is protected and that businesses compete on a level playing field. It is a critical mechanism for safeguarding intellectual property and encouraging continued investment in research and development.